AI can take the stress out of writing a letter, but it requires a bit of work on your end too. I'm Ava from Quillbot, and I'll explain how to use AI to write a letter in 5 steps so you get optimal results. Step 1. Have a clear goal. Who are you writing to? What is the goal of your letter? Maybe you want to write a cover letter for a job application, or maybe you want to write a complaint letter about a problem you had. The type of letter will determine the structure, tone, and information you include. Step 2. Choose an AI tool. There are many AI tools out there. Do a bit of research to see which is the best fit for you. Quillbot's AI chat is one example, and it's free to use. To use Quillbot's AI chat, enter your prompt and click the green arrow. The tool will then generate the letter based on the details in your prompt. If you'd like to adjust anything, you can ask AI chat to do so in the dialog box that appears under its output. Keep adjusting until you get a letter you're happy with. Step 3. Craft a good prompt. Your prompt should be as detailed and specific as possible. Include the type of letter, the recipient, the desired tone, key details, and any necessary context. Step 4. Review. Despite AI's amazing capacity to create content, you should review AI's letter to make sure it meets your expectations, accurately conveys your message, and sounds like you. Fact check, proofread, and review its tone and voice. Step 5. Edit and format. Even after proofreading and fact-checking, an AI-generated letter may still sound a little too much like a machine. To make it more natural and engaging, edit the draft to reflect your personal style. Then, format your letter in a word processor or in your email client, and you're ready to hit send.